Hello students. Welcome to our channel Learning Hub. Today we will discuss the greenhouse effect and global warming. What is a greenhouse? A greenhouse is a building or area made of glass in which temperature is maintained within a desired range to assist in the cultivation of plants, even during winter. Function of greenhouse. The greenhouse receives the heat from the sun and traps it inside the glass structure so it gets warmer during the daytime and stays pretty warm at night too, creating the most favorable environment for the growth of horticultural crops. Greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect refers to the process by which certain gases in the Earth's atmosphere trap that and prevent it from escaping into space. These gases act like a blanket, allowing sunlight to pass through but trapping the heat radiating from the Earth's surface. Greenhouse gases. Gases in the Earth's atmosphere that trap heat are called greenhouse gases. 7 main greenhouse gases are carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, hydrofluorocarbons, perfluorocarbons, sulfur hexafluoride, and nitrogen trifluoride. Global warming. A gradual increase in the Earth's temperature due to the greenhouse effect caused by increased levels of carbon dioxide, CFC or chlorofluorocarbon, and other pollutants. Causes of global warming. The main causes of global warming are burning fossil fuels, deforestation, agriculture, farming, and the use of transportation. If you want more videos on any topic, tell us in the comments section, and do not forget to like and share our videos and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.